Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Want to stop endlessly scrolling in Notion and jump straight to the top of your page with a single click? In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to enable the Scroll to Top feature using the free Notion Enhancer add-on. By the end of this video, you'll have a simple little button in Notion that saves you tons of time, especially if you work with long docs or databases. Let's jump right in. First things first, we're going to install the Notion Enhancer via the Chrome Web Store. If you haven't used extensions before, don't worry. It's super straightforward. Open up Google Chrome, then head to the Chrome Web Store. Just search Notion Enhancer in the store's search bar. You'll see it pop up in the results. Go ahead and click on it, and then hit Add to Chrome. The browser might prompt you with a permission box. This is normal. Just approve it and let Chrome do its thing. Installing this extension is totally free and quick, so just sit tight while it loads. Once the extension is installed, let's head back over to your Notion workspace. You'll notice something new appears, a Notion Enhancer pop-up window. If you don't see it right away, look for the little Enhancer logo in your browser toolbar. Sometimes you have to click that to activate the extension's settings. In the Notion Enhancer panel, you'll see a section devoted to extensions. This is where you can customize all sorts of handy features for Notion. But today, we're focusing on Scroll to Top. Go ahead and find the search or filter bar at the top of the extensions list and type in Scroll. You should see Scroll to Top pop up in the list. Click or toggle it on. This activates the feature. Think of it like flipping a light switch. With one click, you're about to make navigation in Notion way simpler. Now, after toggling on the Scroll to Top extension, we need to apply the changes. It's always good practice to reload the Notion Enhancer and refresh your Notion page just to make sure everything's updated and running smoothly. So click the button to apply changes within the Enhancer panel, and then head up to your browser refresh button and reload your Notion workspace. This process may take a few moments. Don't worry if it seems like nothing happens at first. Sometimes extensions need a second to properly integrate with Notion. Once the page reloads, check out the bottom right corner of your Notion screen. You should see a new button, usually an upward-facing arrow or something labeled Scroll to Top. Whenever you're working in a long document or database, just click this button, and it'll zip you straight to the top of the page. It's almost like a reset button for your view, and it's brilliant if you're diving deep into notes or project lists and need to quickly navigate back. And that's it. You've just made Notion a whole lot more pleasant to use. Remember, if you don't see the button right away, double-check that the extension is toggled on and try refreshing one more time. Extensions sometimes need a gentle nudge. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or run into issues, drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help troubleshoot. Subscribe to the channel for more simple, practical Notion tips like this one. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.